Hello, hello. How is it going? All right, yesterday I was hitting this list. I was trying to hit all the confusing stuff. I might change gears and switch to the quality of life stuff and visual glitches. Because that's more fun. I feel like quality of life and fixing visuals is way more fun than trying to figure out what's confusing, what's not confusing. All right, first thing, the arrange inventory button. It puts tools at the end, but you want tools in the beginning. So let's do that. Inventory. Where even is that? What does that button? Where does that button call the function? I think it's here. Extra buttons, organize. So this is the inventory helper button on click. Oh, inventory helper button. It's just its own floating script. And then it tells the target inventory to organize. Okay. And I kind of want it to toggle. When I click it once, I want it to do what it does. And then when I click it again, I want it to do the inverse. Sort temp inventory if I want to prioritize item types. Right. So here's where I want it. It does it alphabetically, just based on what? Based on the name? No. Empty inventory. This is dangerous. This button's dangerous. It caches your entire inventory to a variable, deletes your inventory, sorts it by the inventory item comparer, which checks for name. Case sensitive comparer. That doesn't seem right because it groups them by type. Case sensitive comparer. Oh, I think this just kind of gets rid of empty space. Do I have other eye comparers in here? Nah. Maybe it's a coincidence that it does that. Hmm. This one's a weird one. Case insensitive comparer. Compare inventory dot name. Oh, the name. Oh, because the item type is in the name. That's why it's actually working. Because the item names, because that's not based on the item's name, that's based on the scriptable object's name. And the scriptable objects are named the type they are. Okay, so what I need to do is actually have a priority based on type. And then sort by name. Let's see if I can do some quick Google searching. Sort list of scriptable objects by property. Property in scriptable objects. Ducourts, how's it going? Welcome in. Best method of sorting a list. I feel like I've done this a dozen times. I just never remember. This is all right. Unity. Okay, C sharp. No. C sharp. Sort list by class property. I gotta go more generic. Roiku, how's it going? The cats are doing fine. What? What cats? Your cats? Were your cats okay? Were they not okay? The cats and the babes. Right, we're not doing cats and babes today. We're doing playtest feedback. How are you doing? How's Roiku doing? Order by O. Order date to list. Okay. This is a link thing. All right. All right, link. I'm going to give I have to give items one more freaking property. My scriptable object for items is like out of control. Ducourts, thank you. Yeah, I am alone. It's just a little old me. I was bullied into going back to working on a game jam game from 2021. Who would do such a thing? Who would bully you like that? And this doesn't make me happy. This is my item class. I didn't write all of it. I wrote it's from a pack, but I kind of infused it with a lot. And I got to infuse it with a little more. Let's give it a sort order. Inventory properties. Public. Int. Sort priority. Okay. 2 different game dev streamers and their viewers. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. I mean, if you don't want to work on it, you don't have to. But obviously, if you're going to work on it, you must like the project. Because you can't work on something unless you like it. I would dare I say you can't work on something unless you love it. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Almi666. Almighty Lamb. I'll drink again. I need it. It's a good project, and I should be working on my existing projects instead of making new ones 3 times a week. But I generally don't work like that on my own. Maybe I need pushing. No, I think it's normal to just not stick with the project, you know? You have to be kind of crazy to stick with the project for that long. All right, so let's see. decor, chair, whatever. All right, so here's all my items, right? What actually do I want to sort by? Decor, tools. I don't want to, wait, this is stupid. I shouldn't be setting this per object. These are build. Okay, how about this? Regular items that derive from base class item can set their own priority, but any class that overwrites base class item gets a special priority. Does that make sense? I have 600 projects on my USB drive to go back to. Oh my God. Yet this week I've created 3 new ones, and just last night went back to this one from 2021. Okay, having 600, that's a lot. I mean, are you bringing them all to some kind of satisfaction, completion? You know, like I'm good with this project now. I've learned what I can learn. Time to move on. Or are you literally dropping 600 projects and just before you even finish? Or it's probably more a range, right? What's the percentage of projects you've finished to a point where you're happy with? 600 over 5 years means one every 3 days. Yeah, that's a lot. Finished like 20. 20 is good. 20, I mean, 20 finished project. That's a lot, right? So I've been working on this for 3.5 years, and you know, you have 20 more projects finished than I do. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not one to judge or give advice. We all do our own way. I just want to sort by. Let's see. What do I want to sort by? Probably class, item class. Here we go. Item class. I want to sort by this. Inventory properties. Item class. Yeah. And I don't want to do it alphabetically by class. I want to make up my own order. So maybe I need, oh, I can say get priority and then have my own case switch for class and then return an int. Okay. Got it. No more sort priority. How about public int get. Oh, actually, I can do an int sort priority. I'll do private. No, public, but hide in inspector. Hide in inline editors. Sort priority. And get switch item class case. Oop. Add missing cases. Okay, so here's where I can set my priority. Tools are number 1. Decorations? No, probably consumables are number 2, right? Return 80. And then weapons. They should be 90. Yeah, these are like 100. Weapons should be 100. I don't even have armor. I don't know why I have it as an armor class or an item class. It's the amount of content that limits the number of finished projects or products. I don't have content for over 30 minutes of any of my games. How do you usually get your content? From asset packs and stuff? Or do you make it? Default. Oh, wait. I could say down here, return 0. Okay. Flower. Resource. Return 70. Activity. What's an item class activity? This is probably... No, you know what? This is 50. 60. Oh, I make everything, sometimes music too. Well, yeah, that's a lot of work to do everything. What's this new project you want to do? Or no, actually, no, what's the project that you're going back to? You want to share it? Item class none should just default to 0. Resource. Resources can be really low because you never need them. Currency is not even a thing. You can't have currency in your inventory. Armor's not a thing. I'll say default. Return. No, 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 no. Yeah, no default. It's fine. We'll just keep return down here. And then flowers. Flowers can be... They're kind of useful, so they should be above resources. And above seeds, too. Let's say 55. All right. Read the previous post. Oh, sorry. I'm probably proudest of my first Finnish game project that I did in 1996 on a Commodore 64. Of course, the files for that are completely lost. Oh no. But it was a text-based two-player arena battler. That sounds cool. Excuse me, princess. What up, Munez? Where is it? There it is. Make sure to go follow Munez. Oh, you guys know each other. But anyway, I'm thinking of hiding the current game project from itch because I'll be uploading a new version within a week. I don't know. Why not just leave it up? He's the current record holder speedrunning my game. That's cool. On my first run. Damn. That's pro. Okay, so now inventory, item comparer. So instead of case sensitive compare, should I just implement link and not have an eye comparer anymore? How do I make my own eye comparer? So instead of returning... So if X... So if inventory item X dot sort... Where is it? Where are all my values? Do I have to do this? Oh, I have to encapsulate it all. Dot sort priority is greater than Y. Return 1. else return -1? Like that? I don't know. Let's see if that works. So basically, I'm just looking for tools to be up top. This is pretty fun. I should tell Clayman about it if he's on today. No one could beat your time for now because I'm actually disabling the original game mode. Oh no, focusing on an adventure mode. Oh, I already flaunted in his face with indirect words. Zerath, how are you? Today's good. Today's good. I don't know. I was kind of on a sprint of doing stuff and sticking to a schedule. Yesterday, I started working on some feedback notes. Today, I'm going to continue those feedback notes. And I'm only going to do the fun stuff because treat yourself. Clayman played for 30 minutes and didn't beat it. This is one of the reasons why I won't be able to test the difficulty of my own games. It's an actual problem. Are you saying you're too good at video games? I'm just like too good at video games. I'm not a good judge of difficulty. Yes, rub it in. Good that he's not here so that he doesn't become sad. Pretty good, I reckon. Nice. All right, let's see if this works. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Munez is very humble about his excellency in all video gamery. Is this a thing? Is this a fact? Like, are you exceptional at video games? Are you a secret speedrunner that we don't know about? Or that I'm not aware of? Alright, so I'll pick up some tools, some consumables, some games. Wait, I picked up all the tools first, so. Alright, hit arrange. It put the tools at the end. And it put the... Oh, look at that. It's actually arranging them randomly because it's so I guess it's working. I just returned the wrong thing. No, it's an actual problem that I haven't solved yet. I want to give myself a challenge, but like I found Hollow Knight fairly easy while a lot of people find it extremely hard. Munez isn't really a secret speedrunner, as you can just see him speedrun everything. And yeah, for a first playthrough, he was already better than me at my own game. Ugh, now the competitive side of me is like, give me that damn link. Give me the link. Give him the link. I beat my game afterwards in about maybe 20 to 25 minutes. I used mouse only though. The original version sports arrow keys WASD for movement. But I'm removing that and going for single input only, which is left mouse button. Did I play Hollow Knight? What did I play? Yeah, I played Hollow Knight. I got to a good point. Maybe I played for like 4 or 5 hours, and I thought it was such a good game. And I didn't die yet. And then I died for the first time on a boss, and I was like, okay, I gotta run back for my corpse. What is this, 1999 EverQuest? All right, I'll run back for it. And then I died again before I got to my body. And then yeah, it was terrible. My body was unattainable. Or I forget how that mechanic worked. Maybe if you just die again too soon. I don't know. It turned me off so much that I never picked it up again. After that moment, I never tried again. The end. Sort. Yay! Tools are up front. Tools, consumables, and then board games. Perfect. Well, I can't play it for like 20 minutes on stream, but I'll play it for a minute. All right, so what controls do I need to use? Do I need to use keyboard only? Ander 507, how's it going? Welcome in. We're looking at Roiku's game. Should I just mute this? I'll just mute site. Dashido. Click to start. That's a lot of... Wait, I can't make this go away. How do I make this go away? Okay. Hold left mouse button. Ready dash strike. Release left mouse button. Perform dash strike. Okay. And then movement and then R to restart. Okay. Good. I'm sitting in a bus right now. I need to sit here for like 6 more hours. Oh god, that is a trip. Let's all send a support ticket to Itch to remove their stupid UI. Yeah, what? I've never seen this before. Oh, that's fun. What? 2 and 1. Okay. That was cool. Wait, why didn't I do it that time? Oh, because I didn't hold it long enough? Wait, why is it not doing it now? Now I'm confused. I'll go this way. Wait, I didn't have this issue on level 1. Why is he not doing it? You can press full screen. All right, I'll full screen. Now I have this. Ah, there we go. Oh, okay. I guess I'm not really sure when it... I guess they're just like getting too close to me. And then once they get too close to me, I can't do it anymore. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to go this way. Oh. So if you land too close to them and miss, then they... This is a cool mechanic, though. Yeah, I'm not good at it. Oh. Control mouse wheel to zoom. What do you think, I'm on PC? God damn. I'm not good at it. And then I was trying to go through a wall, so it didn't work. Okay, you know what I'm realizing is that just clicking is the best thing to do. Just click. All right. We got this. I got this. I'm ready now. Ooh, that was lucky. Okay. I'm ready now. Ooh, that wasn't good. Nope. Can I just go across the map? Can I just like click here? Oh, I can. This is fun. This is fun. Oh, they're different now. They move faster. No, why didn't the I wanted the other guy to come after me. That's really satisfying. Oh no. I'll take it. I'll play it safe. Come get me. I'm stuck? Oh, okay. I'm good. Ah. Too far, too far. This is very fun. I'm like really distracted now. There, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, this room is tough. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. But seriously, this game's really fun. Good shit. Good shit. One person added to bully me into continuing. I mean, I'm not bullying you, but it's worth exploring more. Beat the game in 7 minutes. Nice. All right, well, when I click this, should it reverse? Or should it just, yeah, no. Who's gonna want the tools on the bottom? Nobody. I'm gonna check it off the list and move on. Yep. Audio feedback on main screen. I don't care. Music, I mean, I care, but I don't care right now. Rotating character, I don't care right now. I never explained that it's thorns you need to destroy. Let's just add a quick line to Jeff's conversation. He just says junk. Go destroy that junk. Oh, Og, sorry, I missed your message. Yeah, we were playing Roiku's game. Gotta hop into a meeting. All right, Munez. Enjoy your work meeting. I really should use the Notes app more. Yeah. I mean, if you use Notion, as long as you're good at it, and not like skilled at it, as long as you are disciplined enough to keep at it, then Notion's fine. I find Notion's just good for like working in a team. If you're not in a team, I think Notes works fine. It's kind of a mess right now. It's not suitable for people. Okay, fine. It may or may not be incredibly dangerous. Some weird thorns have been growing and you might poke your eye out. Oh, I did mention it. Whoops. Okay, cool. I can check it off my list because I did it already. Camera shouldn't require stamina. Fine. Using the camera item will no longer require stamina. Toolkit. Strength 10. Wait. Why do I require stamina? How do I require... Where does the stamina requirement come from? I mean, at this point, I just use Notion as a note app anyway. I don't like it. I don't like that you have to go to a browser to do it. I like an app that sits out, you know? I know it's a tab that you can float, but I don't want to like go to Chrome, find the tab I need. I just want a nice icon here that I can click on. Full screen it. Oh, you use the Notion app. Okay. Well, then that should be fine. Also, Augie, how you doing? How'd the rest of your stream go? How much? What do we got? Okay. I don't remember how I require stamina for tool usage. It's a tool. I must just blanket take 10. Max energy? No. I ended like 3 hours ago for lunch because I had to go out. I'm about to continue. You're gonna hop out 2 streams in one day? You're crazy. Yeah, I'm not remembering where I'm not remembering where I put it. Probably in the player state. Stamina. Some items require stamina and other requirements for use. If .can use returns true, we fail to continue. What? Perform equipped item action now. If it's a tool, start coroutine tool interaction. And stamina. I don't know. I don't know. Bruh, I streamed this long anyways. Just gotta cut it short is all. No, that's totally fine. You get back in there. You get back on that horse. You finish your damn Tokyo game show application. I feel like you're ready. You might be procrastinating. You're ready. You just need a trailer and you're done. Use equipped item. Use request. Okay. Oh, maybe it's in the tool item. It is. I found it. Tool item. Has enough stamina. Stamina per use cost. Oh. Wait. Wait. No, wait. Tool camera. Oh, it's literally down. It's all the way down here. Oh my God. So what was it set to? Stamina use cost is 1? Chat reminded me I need to make one more song though. Why? Why do you need to do that? What is the need to make one more song for a trailer? You don't even need gameplay. Do you? Do you need gameplay actually? I forget. Trying not to run over my dog's head. All right, so I can set it here. That was really hard to find, and I need to fix that. Inventory item. Does inventory item use Cyrenex? Yes, I do. and info box. I basically want here to say title, tool, item, properties. Okay, that should be easier to find. Cameras are now free to use. Free to use. Tooltip for drop, rearrange, and delete. Not important right now. If keyboard, show hotbar number hotkeys. Okay, so I think I agree with this one. What do you guys think? Oh, wait, but I don't have a... How do I get over there? So I have hotkeys for the hotbar down here, right? You can just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then minus key and plus key. You know, I can do that. Should I show the keys? Should I show the keys up here? And what happens if I have these in my inventory? Also, does this totally break the game? If I'm in like camera mode, I come back out. No, I'm still in camera mode. Okay. So there's an action theme. You're supposed to send gameplay. Oh, I also just realized that that's Obsidian. Yeah, it's Obsidian. Use Obsidian. It's great. Okay, it might be a little... Is it out of scope right now? Might be a little out of scope right now. It's kind of complicated to infuse stuff into the inventory. Looks like the Mac Notes app. Oh, well, I mean, I have that open too. And I have text edit. They're all of different purposes. Trust me, it works. Town Hall doesn't have foreground walls. Okay, these should be quick. I should be able to hit these notes, all of them. Don't need any molding. I don't need molding. Don't need wainscoting. And I don't need the wall. Wait. Where is it? Oh, it's front corner. That's right. And this should just be white wall. Wall, white. That doesn't look right. Skin white. Whoops. There we go. I forget. I had like exact values for this. I don't remember what they are. Good enough. Good enough. Save. Move on. Unload. Background visible in the pond. You got it. Hike loop B is already loaded. Load. Can't see it. Where are all these trees? Yeah, they are. Okay, let's just hide them for a second. All right, that should fix that. No more seeing past that. This one too. Wait. Oh, right, there's trees there. I'm like, how do I block the player from coming here? Okay, that should be good. Same issue in the move scene. Same issue in visitor center scene. Visitor center scene. Where are you? Oh, that was weird. Okay, that should be enough. I think this is all good. Yep. Okay. Unload. I had this issue also in Hike Loop C, but Hike Loop C is just not, it's not made yet. It's all temp. Where even is it? Oh, it's still in the old location down here. You know what? Forget it. I'll just fix it here. I might even make this go up even more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's a bug. Interesting. If I open that, it's because I just learned that this mesh collider, that a mesh collider requires you to input the mesh here as well as on the mesh filter. I thought it just sampled it, but it's cliff pathway ramp. Cliff pathway ramp. There we go. This should actually help the camera. I won't have to go back as far. So is Mac really, really good? It's good enough for me. I mean, I like deving on a Mac. They all do the same shit. Will your next machine be a Mac as well? So I'm currently looking for a PC. But I always plan on having both. I like Mac laptops, and I'm looking for a PC desktop. I recently bought a PC. Yes, up for $30. That's a good deal. That is quite the price. Are you satisfied with your machine? It can run a PS2 emulator, so it's good enough for everything. There you go. All right, I'm gonna finally do what everyone wishes. I'm gonna turn the deer into an animal. Everyone wants to take a picture of the deer. But the deer is just like it's just here. It does nothing but exist here. Oh fuck. Damn it. Same bots bombarded Clayman yesterday. Yeah, they've been showing up every day for the past 3 weeks. It's all right. It's all right. Someone's bored. Someone's bored with life. Where's the geo? Here it is. I don't want faceted deer. I want smooth deer. Normals. Calculate. Apply. There we go. No, even more. 76. Apply. More. There we go. Smooth deer. Maybe I should start up my stream so I get a follower or few. No, because those accounts they get deleted, and then your follower goes away. think. Maybe not. All right, so what do I got? Animal. Um, snake? No, I don't have the snake either. Okay, animal, beetle. I guess I'll do animal butterfly. Animal butterfly base. Duplicate. Oh wait, animal butterfly. So I need one of these. SP animal deer. And then I need a photo. Photo deer. And then I need a biome entity. Biome entity. Okay. I think you should make this deer an actual character. Should you be able to talk to it? Oh, we're making it an actual character right now. Photo deer. Photo animal deer. Animal deer. All right, here's all my things, right? So entity deer needs SP animal deer. Photo deer needs entity deer. SP animal deer needs this prefab. And then this prefab needs deer. Oh my god, butterfly tamp. So, oh, that's why. Let's just grab the beetle and copy it. So I have a visuals root, which is basically what I want. Inside I have the, oh, right. What is this derived from? The animal, oh, it's a, okay. I messed it up. Messed it up. Animal beetle derives from animal base. So I want to actually do that. Animal deer. Right. Delete. Animal beetle. Dupe. I'm adding a deer to my game from an old project. So you must have a lot of assets. If you have 600 projects with all assets you've created, you must have a lot of assets. Most projects I have self-made sprites with audio. You must have a pretty extensive library. They don't fly up. They away from the player. And then this deer. Let's just grab this. Put it in here. Visual root. Okay. Many of the assets are simplistic, like in Dishido. So it's easier to just redraw them rather than searching for the files. I guess so. That one was really good. Thank you very much for sharing that. I'm going to play it again. I feel like playing it again. All right, so this has a navigation, but but I want to control its. Yeah, I gotta remove this. Remove. Technically, Moon has shared it. Thanks for testing it though, and I suppose it's good if it makes someone want to try it again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely. That's the goal, right? You want people to replay your game. You want your game to be so good, it makes them want to play it. Oh, that's stupid Twitch scam. It made me accidentally ban my stream elements. There we go. You can have mod status back, you bot. This height. I think this is where I put the photographable icon. I think this needs to be taller. 2, 1.5, then 0.25, 0.75. Yeah. And maybe it's too big as well. It's just slightly too big. 75, 0.75, 0.75. Okay. That looks way more normal. Let me swap the deers. Animal deer. I hate this. I hate how slow this is. Go faster. These deers should do kind of the same thing. Let's see. I'm going to delete it. Biome entity. Deer. Okay. Let's do it. I just want to be able to take a photo of this deer. I'm not adding it to the biome yet because I still have to design this biome. Let's take the camera. Come back, bike. Okay, so now we have an actual deer. We should be able to take a photo of it. Look at that. Click deer. Beautiful, but why is it so low? Oh, look. Oh, no. It runs away so stupid. So, also, it ran away and didn't change its animation. What if I plug this in there? Scale down, escape. Yeah, that's what I do. Whoa, punched my microphone. That's what I do with some of the insects. They just kind of fly away and scale down. But for this, I feel like it doesn't make sense. They should poof. I feel like they should poof and not scale down anymore. That's what I should do. Like, does it? It'll still run like through the walls. All right, I'm gonna have a fleet. Oh, okay, so fleet type, and we'll say public enum flee effect, and we'll say scale down equals 0. Poof equals 1. Okay, so if we are scale down, we actually do the scale down. If we're poof, we poof. And then I need a poof effect. I have a poof effect. Instead of scaling, just fade them away. I don't want to put transparency in the game. I mean, I have some things as transparent, but I'm really trying not to. So I'd rather just do a poof like particle effect and turn their visibility off instantly. So flee timer. This is if flee effect. Wait. It's done so in Monster Hunter Rise that the animals just fade away. What if they spawn a bush to run to and hide to? That's pretty good. And then the bush poofs away too. I like that. I like that idea. I mean, I should just have the bushes there, and then the spawn points of these animals are locked to around those bushes. But so I was thinking about doing that for squirrels. So squirrels can only spawn near trees, and then the way squirrels escape is they run up the tree. Um, I'll have another flea effect later for that. Baby steps. Um, Destroy. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, you know what? I have a actually pool this effect. I can grab it from the pool. Oh, do I really gotta set this every time though? Is that all I need to do? Does it turn on? No, it doesn't. Does not set to active. I should have a thing here that's like bool auto activate equals false. And then um wait, what? This never happens? Oh, else. Right? Yeah, okay. So now this should auto activate. I should have added this a long time ago. I wrote this function, I don't know, 2020. That's so long ago. 2 apartments ago. I've moved twice since I wrote that function. Oh, there's no music. What happened? Just since we've just been sitting here in silence and nobody said anything. Have you ever looked at code challenges where you make a full game in like 10 lines of code or something like small like that? I like watching videos on about that on YouTube. Nah, I've never done that before. That's for like fans of efficiency. I'm a fan of chaos. I like silence and your voice is nice to listen to. There's no issue with no music. I feel a little self-conscious when there's no music and it's purely relying on my voice. I need something to something to help me to fill the in between. All right, so we got a poof effect. And this animal is gonna, it's, you know what? Yeah, out of scope. It's just gonna run through the wall and it doesn't matter. And it's gonna poof. If it doesn't make it to the wall, it poofs away. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. So not scale down. We're gonna do poof. You're very comfortable to sit around in complete silence, just listening to your feverish rambling. I appreciate it. Or poof, poof. Assets. Decor poof, dusty dirty poof, dusty dirty poof soft, heart poof, star poof. I wonder what a star poof is. I gotta see what star poof is. That might be what I want. Oh, look at that. It's ridiculous. No, we don't want that. Okay, what is next? Test it. I gotta test it. This wasn't even on the list. It takes too long to make new animals. I feel like I need to improve this. Also, this animal doesn't flee properly yet. I need to make a new deer animation controller. Let's do that really quick. Let's do that really quick. Really, really quick. Deer. Simple. It has a run, walk, eating, death. So we'll say, we'll just keep idle. And you, I don't need you anymore. Get out of my life. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I don't need connections between these two. And I just need one parameter called flee. Any state, make transition. If we trigger flee, that is as simple as it needs to be. And then let's add that to the deer. Deer simple. And I should get rid of, yeah, the wander script, the play sound script. All right, I'll leave it. Jeez, it's so annoying. And if I'm going to do that, this needs an audio, standalone audio source. All audio sources need a way to tell what the settings are. I wish there was like built-in ways in Unity for like settings. Like every game has to make it up their own way. There's got to be a right way. There's just got to be. Oh wait, Twitch has removed a thing. Have to fix. What did Twitch remove? Oh, look at that. Thank you for the follow. Okay, so now it removed it. That's so rude. You can take a picture of the deer and it poofed all right. That was a silly run. All right, I need to put a deer in the main scene if I'm going to be testing them. Yeah, we got to watch that poof again. We're going to put a deer right here. My test area. Animal deer. So right off the bat, the poof needs to happen higher off the ground. Is there something I can quickly reference for a height? Let's see. I'll just do poof offset. Just have a poof offset. I don't like it. I just want to grab like this collider. What is this? What is that collider there? Oh, it has a collider. Oh. 1.5. So I can grab the center point of this box collider. Let's do that. Do I have a reference to it in the script already? Say it ain't so. Collider. I don't. I'll just get it. I'll just get one. Collider equals get component collider. Box collider. If collider is not equal null, vector 3 position. Vector 3.0. If collider does not equal null, spawn position equals collider dot center. Is center a world space position? The center of the box measured in the object's local space. Center plus the object's local position. Is there a better? Is there like a world space center? Center, all right, we'll just say center plus transform dot position. And then this is spawn position. Oh, right, and this is transform dot position. Okay. All right, let's also add some more deers for fun. Oh dear, indeed. I don't like how they're all synced. All right, but that's a good height now. Gotcha. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'll accept that. They don't run fast enough? I think they need to run way faster. Like, they're deer. They're big. Deer are big. So these values, I need to remind myself with a note. The distance and the speed, they don't mean what I think they mean. It's not like higher numbers are faster. So let me write myself a little note. Info box using Cyrenex.Odin inspector. Info box. Okay. Flee distance. Flee distance is how far they run. Info box. Speed is how many seconds it takes to run the flee distance. Cineritz. Hey, coach. Thanks for all your help last time. I'm sure you'll be glad to hear I'm not working on the game tonight. That doesn't. I'm not glad you're not working on it. I want you to follow your passions and your dreams. And I like helping. I love helping. All right, so the flee delay, takeoff delay. Those are fine. Those I understand. I've never not known what those meant. So now deer should be fast and run far away. So they run far away. They run 5 units away. And they take 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds to get there. How you doing, Cinerates? I had such a ridiculous lunch. I went out into the world. Oh wait, ads. Oh wait. Tell my stupid lunch story. That's better. Okay, there's still a little there's an ease in the curve that I don't like. It's this. It's too easy. Ease is too much. I want to ease it less. You don't have ads? That's good. So yeah, I I was walking around trying to find food. I'm like, okay, I've been eating so poorly, such heavy, delicious, rich Japanese food every day for like the past month. I'm gaining weight. It's a problem. I don't my body doesn't feel good. Like it feels heavy and sluggish and I'm tired and my muscles ache and I'm not even doing anything. So I'm like, let me get a healthy ass lunch. And I'm walking around and this happens every time. I say this to myself almost every day. I just need to find some vegetables. And then I'm walking around, I'm not really finding anything. I pass one place that I know I can get like a salad at this place. It's fine. But I had it a couple days ago, so I didn't want it again. And I caved and I went into a soup dumpling place, a Taiwanese soup dumpling place. I'm looking on the menu and I get the soup dumplings. And I'm like, okay, at least they have vegetables. So let me order the vegetables. And I click, it's like an app. Everything's an app. I click on the vegetable button and I see there's like toppings, right? Spicy peanuts, chicken, a couple of other ones. I'm like, ooh, spicy peanuts on sauteed vegetables. That sounds good. And I click on it. And then he brings me just a bowl of spicy peanuts. Like peanuts in a pile of dried red chili flakes. And there was a lost in translation moment where there was no vegetables. There was just peanuts. So I just had soup dumplings for lunch. No vegetables. Still feel like shit. Vex Kin, how's it going? Love the look of your game, man. Seriously, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh god, they run away fast. Oh, I like how that deer kind of looked at me. It was a total coincidence, but oh, they swing around. Why is their run animation so weird? I didn't animate that. How long have I been working on this? It's since July of 2020, so a little over 3.5 years. Also, welcome in. Welcome in. How are you doing? All right, I think that's good. We've spent enough time adding deers to the game. There's deer in the game. Can I? This is all came from the background is visible in the pond. Done. Empty spot in the visitor center. Done. Raining inside the caves. That one should be pretty easy. I have a checkbox that's just turn off weather effects indoors. So cave location? Location cave. Interior weather enabled. Ah, crap, it is disabled. There's a bug in the system. I accepted a job offer and I'm about to be an employee for the first time in my life. I feel super weird about it. Cinderets, congratulations. Welcome to how most of people in society feel. Is it a normal job or is it a weird job? I'm doing good, thanks. Just working and watching game devs on the side, which happens to be you today. Nice. Well, that's what I like to hear. I like to hear that everyone's co-working with me. I can't imagine I'm entertaining enough to just watch without doing your own work. Raining inside the cave. Shit. Why doesn't that work? Maybe he hit the hotkey by accident. Let's see. Hi, Falonir. How's it going? Welcome in. It's the best place to be in now. This here noise stream. You're too kind. It's a business consulting job. Monday in office, the other 4 days doing meetings and Zoom calls with clients. Business consulting, that sounds like a pretty fancy job. How have you never had another job? How did you go straight to business consulting? I'm sure there's history there that I'm unaware of. All right, so if I hit V, did you know that you can hit V and change the weather? All right, so it's raining, right? How's the dev tonight? It's going all right. It's going all right. I'm still ticking off IRAD devs notes. Why is it raining in here? Deerable. By deerable, he means fantastic, because we just added deers to the game. The deer was already in the game, but now it's like canon. I started learning game dev 3 weeks ago with UE5, and it has been exciting so far. That's the first few months of learning game dev are the best. I feel nostalgic about my first endeavors into game dev. Congratulations and welcome to this wild, wonderful world of game development. I'm 23, so it's going to be weird helping people twice my age. I own 3 businesses and wrote a book about entrepreneurship. Oh, shit, Cinerets. That's cool. I'm 2 years into Godot and I'm just scratching the surface. Yeah, it takes... I don't think you can ever learn everything. You can do this shit for... I've been doing Unity for 10 years and I feel like I'm just scratching the surface. So why is it raining? Oh, maybe it's because it doesn't think caves are interiors. Cave location. Interior scene. Interior weather enabled. Done. 10 years, yeah. And before that, I was coding in CocoS 2D. Wait, 10 years? No, it's been 12 years now. I started Unity in 2012. You'd think I'd be way better. My biggest worry is low-key waking up on time. I haven't had a consistent sleep schedule in years. I mean, you're only 23. You haven't even had a minute to develop a sleep schedule. When I was 23, it was really hard to wake up by 8:30. You do have 15 plus years of experience in back-end web development, so I hope things will help me out a bit. It should help you out a bit. A little bit. Yeah, definitely. Any kind of computer stuff should help. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Do I actually permanently want this? It actually makes sense to not be able to pull the camera out so much. This is why I unchecked it, because interior scenes push the camera in. Look at that, though. There's so much. I can't see what's down here. There's so much. And it doesn't do the camera readjusting stuff. Ah, fuck. I need to do some coding now. I just got into dev work. When you look at it in that time scale, Falonir, the way you present yourself makes it seem like you're a pro dev, like you dev as a day job, and then this stuff, you know, is what you're doing for funsies. You just blew my mind. Mind blown. Also, everyone in here, make sure to follow Falonir. I gave him the shout out before, but I didn't say words. Sometimes my fingers do things without me knowing about them. And the brain doesn't catch up until 10 minutes later. So if you missed the shout out, click on his username and hit follow. He's got a really fun stream. He's making a game in Godot, Twitch integrated chat RPG where your player is global and you can bring your character to other people's streams, and it's so cool. Okay. Skin, thank you for the follow. I have to say, like, I have a little bit of like, every time I hear the follow notification, it's turned into like a negative for me, because it's like half the time that stupid Twitch scam. I should stop talking about it. Fueling the fire. Everyone knows Falonir. It's fine. That's good. Everyone should know Falonir. Sorry to unfollow. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just need to grow up, you know? I think I need another checkbox that's interior scene and interior camera. Ugh, more checkboxes. Come on. Public bool lock close-up camera. And camera switcher. Here we go. So instead of looking for interior scene, I'm going to look for lock close-up camera. Okay, and now in all of my other interior scenes, I just need to check that. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. That was pretty damn easy. I just really hate adding hundreds of checkboxes to scriptable objects. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. When your game has complexity, you got to add options. So location, interior, all these interiors, we do lock it. And then in the cave scene, wow, look at that naming convention. Basement, yeah, lock it. Cave, don't lock it. Inn, don't lock it. Null world, I don't even know what that is. An area outside the world where NPCs go to not exist. I'm so glad I wrote that description for myself because I'm like, what is that? I almost deleted it. I'm going to put another description. Do not delete. Oh my God. All right, let's see. Did that fix it? Let's make sure we didn't break the other interiors, and we'll make sure we did fix. Wait, why don't instead I just have the I could have just made the weather thing independent from being an interior. So stupid. Global booled array size greater than 100. Falconer scream. So I look at a game like yours and it actually gives me anxiety because of all the different functions you need to handle all the different abilities. Like, I've been trying to basically make the abilities editor scripts. Yeah, I remember. So I've been trying, like, I don't want to code every little nook and cranny ability, whatever. Okay, so we don't have rain. That's good. So when I see you like, oh, I need a script to control this one ability from this one character during this one scenario, I'm just like, oh, that causes me pain. Oh, I've been having a lot of fun with resources that I can plug and play. Nice. I was watching Adam C. Eunice a couple of, maybe like an hour ago. I guess a couple of hours ago now, because we've been going for 2. And he was making a Ludum Dare. I always thought it was Ludum Dare, but everyone's been saying Dare, so I guess it's Dare. So, but he's been making a Ludum Dare game jam game in Game Maker, which was actually sponsored to, like, Game Maker sponsored him to make a game in that engine. Yeah. And he was doing a postmortem today. Hey, Skydriver, how's it going? I'm doing good. But he was doing a postmortem today, and he said that in Game Maker, there's no hierarchy. Roiku, can you confirm? Is there a hierarchy? Like, can you parent something to something else and then have that thing move around and the other thing follow it? I don't know if you can pay me to make a game in game. Not that it's bad for what it's worth. I mean, yeah, I don't. You couldn't pay me to make a game in Godot, but I think Godot's great. Maybe you can pay me. If you give me a few $100,000 and fund my next game, I'll make a game in Godot. All right, I can be bought. I just described what a publisher does. Also, this is bugging me. Look at that. What did you just say? I said I could be bought. You will use the evil software for money? It's not evil. Like I say every day, we are software agnostic here, and we love all softwares, even Game Maker. Also, Roiku, I need you to confirm. Can you parent stuff? It's like, yes, you can parent, but it's different. You only spawn the child into the scene and not the parent. The parent is just the prefabs list outside of gameplay. What? So if I have a player here. So right now here, look, I have like a container. Everything's containers. You know, I got a player in here. And then inside the player, I have a bunch of systems. I got some colliders. I got some locators. Inside here, I have like more colliders, lights. You know, it's nested hierarchy of stuff. Can you do this? Is it replicatable? It's evil, but I understand money brings bread on the table. I would have thought that everyone thinks Unity is the evil one. I'm glad we finally admitted it. I can't say anything. I built a game using a program that was made in Game Maker. What? Nested Game Maker in Game Maker? Game Maker is free nowadays for non-commercial usage, so it's perfect for game jams where you don't plan to sell your game. The child inherits the code from the parent object, so you just need the child in play. I don't get it. For what it's worth, I think Unity is evil, but that's nothing to do with the program itself. Yeah, I mean the Unity, they're a big ass company. There's no nested hierarchy of stuff in the scene. It's in an object list instead outside of gameplay. Very curious. I just started weeks ago with C# and Unity, so all other engines are evil to me right now. I think this will change over time. Yeah. Yeah, they're a big ass corporation. I've never met a big ass corporation that wasn't slightly evil. Once you go public, like think about companies that go public, right? They're not about like their product anymore. They're just about making investors and board members their money back and dividend and making more money, It's like why else would you go public? You're not going public to like, oh, we just want more cash so we can you know follow our mission statement better. No, 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 no. Let's be real here. You're in it for the money. I have a character parent object, which all ally and enemy characters in-game are children of, and so they inherit code from the parent object. And then I can individually change some bits of code in the children. Do you have like overriding code? I'm not sure I like that. Follow our mission statement better. I literally spit my drink out. I wish I could have seen that. And yes, if in gameplay code you change the X transform of a parent object, all the all the children in game will move as well. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's like it's a way to think about it that I can't wrap my head around without seeing. I might have to watch a tutorial just to understand. I should have actually watched Adam C. Eunice make his game. I kind of tuned out when he was making it. I like when he makes his game. I like watching him make Insignia, but I don't know, something about game jam games, especially in an engine that like he wasn't like great at. I don't know. I wasn't there for it. The hierarchy isn't visual. It's just a box to tick. Oh wow. That sounds like an oversight. I feel like hierarchy is, I don't know, fundamental. You know? Being able to just like parent something to something else, that is such a fundamental thing. I guess it's not. I guess I take it for granted. I take it for granted. All right. What were we doing? We fixed something. I can check it off. Raining inside the caves. Give slot and the UI tooltips are bugged. I thought I fixed this. I swear I fixed this. Gift button? Gift slot. Gift display? Ah, which one? Doesn't matter which one. Basically need to make, yeah, look, raycast target, not a raycast target. Oh, that's huge. That's the problem. This thing is blocking it. Right? Extra settings. Raycast target. Yeah, get out of here. Look at that. It's huge. Parenting is just setting a pointer. Yeah, but there's a, you expect children to inherit transforms at the very least, and then have their own wonderfully local transforms that you can manipulate in a very simple way. Adam was really struggling with Game Maker at first, of course, because he hasn't used it really. I'm of course better than him. Oh shit! Shots fired. Yeah, I'm better at something. I mean, can you post the link to your game again? You guys got to play Roiku's Game Jam game from 2021. Ever played Town of Salem? I have not. What about it? It's because I'm familiar with Game Maker systems now after years. It doesn't feel odd to me, the parenting thing. But it also doesn't feel weird to do the hierarchy thing in Unity either. I guess I can adapt. Yeah, I guess I've just never been in a software that didn't have a hierarchy. So it would be my first piece of software that didn't, which would feel weird to me. I'm just curious, are you full-time game dev or is it a side thing? This is a side thing. I have a day job that I do up until the time I start streaming. I'm a visual effects artist for commercials and television. You can see my demo reel on my YouTube. Oh wait, my YouTube links to Mossy Grove. You can't see my demo reel. But here's something fun I did recently. The sphere in Vegas. So I made this this Verizon commercial for the sphere. This is me and a couple of other people. Yeah, that was fun. Full-time game dev streamer? Wish. Imagine I can do this full-time and I can really get this game done way faster than it's going. All right, that should be fixed. Melissa's chat has an extra space after Alps. Oh, Melissa. What are we going to do with you? Oh, wait, I have a dash here. I guess my font doesn't support dashes. Interesting. It does go like that in Game Maker. The parent transforming its position will move the children, but the children can, in addition to that, transform their position in a different way. Run more ads. I'll watch them to help you go full time. I make 4 cents from ads every stream. 4 whole cents. See, if I was brave, like Falonier, I'd actually unaffiliate myself. But I'm not brave. I can't do it. I need the affiliation to feel validated. I need it. No, I just really like having channel point redeems. And you have your own like custom point system with all sorts of fun going on, and you programmed it yourself, and that's awesome. Did you actually that I've been meaning to ask you this for a really long time. So all these channels have like Pokemon community game, but you have your own Pokemon community game. Did you just make that? Channel point redeems are the most powerful thing you can have as an affiliate. Yeah, they're so fun. Fixed. Make processor UI always face camera. Okay, this one's been bugging me. I took a template that another streamer made, remade it myself, and then added a ton of features. Yeah, it looks really robust. Way more robust than the actual Pokemon community game. But obviously, anything you catch in your channel is only in your channel. What am I looking for? The furnace. No, what did I call it? Smelter. Helter Skelter. Robust is a great phrase, yes. Haven't made it cloud-based. Yeah, I don't think you need to. So basically, I just want this thing to be rotated in world space. That's very easy to do. Very, very easy to do. Now, how do I do it? Secondary restrictive inventory process. Thought canvas. Always face camera. I have it always facing camera. And I have a rotation constraint. Wait, what? What? Y-axis only. Leave Y rotation untouched. That doesn't make any sense. Y-axis only. Leaves Y untouched. Shouldn't it be the opposite? If it's Y-axis only, shouldn't it only touch Y-axis? Who wrote this script? Who wrote this script? Pixel Crushers. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I'll never, ever badmouth your scripts ever again. He is the best dev ever. I can't believe I said that. Seriously, his plugin, oh my god, he made the dialogue system. And it has its own save functionality in it. It has constraints. It has a quest system. It has an inventory system. It has database. It's just definitely can't like make fun of him for that. All right, so I need to write my own script. It's basically just shit. So I actually have transforms here. Robust. Yeah, it's quite robust. I'm like screaming into the mic. I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm just like every hour I go, I just get more and more tired and I lean more and more into the mic. Ugh. How come they don't invent bungee cords that dangle from the ceiling and just go under your armpits and just hold you up? Just eat the mic. Ridiculous. All right, I gotta write my own script. And I guess I'll nest this. You know what I'll do? That's what I'll do. I'll put this under a group. Whoa, 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 cancel. Excuse me. And this will be canvas group, canvas offset. What do you mean bungee cords exist? No. I want this built in. Someone should invent bungee cords. No. I want them built into the house. That's what I want. Or what I really want is a seatbelt. I want a seatbelt for chairs, for office chairs. Like I just want to grab something right here and just click it right here. It just holds me back, you know? Just hold me back. Yes. Please quote me as saying someone should invent seatbelts. Booyah Grandma, 5:39 p.m. 2024. Thank you. Listen. You guys aren't listening to me. Fine. I said a stupid thing. What? Oh, this whole thing is... Okay. Can I do this now? All right, we're good. So we just want this to always be quaternion.identity. Do I have that? Rotate, auto rotate? Rotation space. World. 0. More mountains for the win. Oh my God, more mountains. Instructions unclear. Inventing seatbelts. Wait, I missed one. You mean they didn't invent a loop on them that hangs from the ceiling? Does that need to be invented? No. Fine. What is your least favorite part of game dev? Marketing. Ask any dev, it's marketing. I actually gave that answer in a podcast interview. Was it marketing? What was yours, Falonier? Let me guess. You said Twitch. Just do marketing? Easier said than done. Oh, just don't do marketing. Well, then I guess I'll just not sell anything. That means I can get rid of this always face camera because it doesn't work. Remove. And then rotation constraint because it doesn't work. Remove. Wait, always face camera. I already had it here. What? Whatever. Have you tried TikTok Organic and YouTube Shorts? They do very well for no cost. Yeah, I post TikTok. I post YouTube Shorts. I try every day. I don't know. I need better content, and I have to watch my own VOD and like find the interesting bits, and there aren't always interesting bits, and I don't want to rewatch my own VODs just to find YouTube Shorts. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Watching your own VOD is ugh, yeah. I mean, YouTube Shorts have been good. TikTok, I freaking hate. TikTok is like, you know, it's like the thing to do when you're my age. You hate on TikTok. It's just what you do. And it's because it's a frenetic, like headache inducing place. All right, so if I put something in the smelter, resource or this is my favorite thing that I could do. I can go into the scene view and I can just drag items into the game and just write onto the player and the player collects them. Bonk, bonk. So now I have some ore. Oh, we found the bug. Damn it. And that didn't work. Wait, pause. TikTok and YouTube Shorts if you're targeting young people that have a short attention span. I mean, yeah, I guess. I don't have 5 hours to watch a 5-hour VOD. Yeah, it's crazy. Use opus.clip. They give a free trial. It'll automatically create and edit shorts. What do you mean? Does it like use AI to find the interesting bits? Still have to pick out interesting bits. Sounds crazy, but it's OP. Cineritz, there's several websites that will scan your VODs for highlights to make clips from. They aren't great for people doing non-gaming content. Oh yeah, because a highlight could be me very calmly and collectively explaining something benign to, what an AI would pick up. I'm not like cheering. Oh, did you see that headshot? Oh shit, did you see that ore smelt? Oh, no, the UI doesn't rotate. Ah, ah. All right, maybe I'll just emphatically do that just so I can use the AI tools to find the highlights. It's like an AI shorts maker. I use it for podcast clips. Works best with talking head kind of content. You mean like this? I'm a talking head. Use AI to find interesting bits. It works very well and takes no time. Look through the clips, removes the bad ones. It's really good for people playing games where you get kills and things that are loud and exciting. Not great when you're cooking or doing coding. Yeah. Okay, hold on, Boogram. Those are my responses to make outline shaders. Can you post a clip of your reaction to outline shaders? Do you have a clip? Can you go back and watch your 5-hour VOD to find a clip? All right, so why didn't this work? Why? Smelter. Canvas offset. It didn't do any offset. Rotation speed. Wait. Auto rotate. Oh, I'm an idiot. That just rotates things. Look. Oh, I'm so stupid. It just rotates. I don't think that's what I wanted. I don't think UIs are supposed to do that. Can someone clip that, please? Yeah, I put it on Twitter. Let me check it out. Hey, ANSJHXS. I will not try and pronounce that. How are you doing? What software for making all of that? We're using Unity. No, it's not exactly what I wanted. It was smooth, though. I guess I got to make my own script. Constraints. Did I make my own constraints? What is this? Did I make this? Oh, this is constants. I'm an idiot. What software for making all of that? All of what? What you see? This is Unity. We're in Unity. ANs. Thank you, Falconer. You made my day way easier. Straight to YouTube. Where is it? Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Is it this? Nice. I like it. I really thought my last Twitter post was gonna do something. I see a lot of these posts that are just like little turntables of cute characters, and it's just like, hey, look at my cute character, and it's 50,000 views and 700 likes, and I was like, ooh, I finally have a cute character that I can do a little turntable of. It didn't do well. No one gave a fuck. But that's not me complaining. That's just social media being social media. Yeah. This is a game engine. Ands. This is a game engine. Modeling is not done in the game engine so much. That's what Maya's for. I don't have Maya open right now. All right, I gotta write a script. Write a damn script. Conditions, constants. Let's call this. Let's call this transform override. Transform overrides. It's gonna be great. Vector 3 dot public. Vector 3 dot position. No. Vector 3 position. Public. Vector 3 dot rotation. Public. Vector 3 dot scale. Public bool. Override position. If override position. No, we want local Euler. No, not local. We want Euler damn angle. Euler angles. I'm sorry. Okay, actually, I don't know if I want to implement the scale one because it's pretty heavy. Transform dot lossy scale. I don't know why it's called lossy scale. You can't set it. That's why. Interesting. So maybe I can grab the parents' scales and I can like rescale it. No. We're just gonna not do scale. Easy. I don't need it. I'm not gonna do it. This is my video game. I can do whatever I want. Okay, perfect. All right, where's my dang smelter? Oh, the beauty of prefabs is I just fix it in this one area. And it fixes for everyone. Transform overrides. Remove. Override position, no. Override rotation, 0, 0, 0, 0. Perfect. Who thinks this is gonna work? Raise your hand. Who thinks I'm a crazy person? Also raise your hand. That's new. Why is there an extra 0 there? Wait, did that work? No. Why isn't this working? What the hell is going on here? I feel like a crazy person. Does this thing have an... Look at that. So it actually is kind of working. It's possible this has another offset? Hmm. Why? Oh, did I think I just broke it. I think I broke it. What did I do? What did I do? This thing has no rotation on it. This thing has no rotation on it. Mm. When this scales, always face camera. This already has an always face camera on it. That's probably what's screwing me up. Let's remove that. And then the thought canvas, I deleted it, so maybe that'll work now. Why is always face camera so broken? I feel like that should be perfect. As a streamer, I know that the rules always face camera. I don't do that. I got my camera over there, and I face this way. You only look at the camera when you want to make a dramatic point. Did that work? Was it dramatic? Oh, also, it's getting dark in here. Gotta up that ISO. Oh, there we go. There we go. I need the lighting of my green screen to be more even. I've been thinking about going sans green screen because I love my view outside so much. Should we test it for a second? I'm going to test it for a second. Nah, I hate it. It's too blown out. All right, I think it's going to work now. I think it's going to work. I'm going to put some ore in the ground so I don't have to keep giving it to myself. Oh, I just want to release the demo already. I'm sick of, I don't know, wondering. Wait, where'd it go? Did it fall through the ground? Where is it? That was cool. If I set its position, it like continues its physics calculations. It still doesn't work. What? All right, let's see what happens with the thought canvas. The thought canvas works. It's just the progress bar. What the what the jerk? What the jerk is going on here? What is up with the clip URL names? Is it just like it's supposed to be attention grabbing? I like it. I like it. Now I have 2 days worth of YouTube shorts to fall back on. All right, so why does Thought Canvas work and Progress Bar not work? Someone tell me right now. Tell me. Boom, content. You want content? I'll give you content. They're both world space. And why does one work and one not work? Why? Thought Canvas. There's nothing in here that matters. Huh. Is it possible that I have something in this script setting the position? No. No, of course not. But maybe. Canvas scaler is not on. Graphics raycaster is not on. Let me just remove these actually. Remove. Position constraint removed. Always face camera removed. Ooh, what if I do this? Always face camera. Maybe my script sucks. Let's see what that does. Yeah, exit the prefab. Yeah. It just gives you this giant warning like, oh my god, if you run play right now in this prefab, all hell will break loose. Okay, just do it every time, please. Then never do that, please. Also, why is this flying through the floor? It's gotta be 0.1? Sure. Doggy. Still have 30 minutes. Ugh. You good, Unity? Are we starting a new day? That's a funny print message. What the hell? What if... It's even worse. This shouldn't have been that hard. What if I do only y-axis? It actually doesn't change. Rotate 180 degrees. Unity, please. How about it? Okay, look at that. So my script makes that thing work properly. Wait, why? Oh, it is working properly. It's just this thing has additional rotation. Thought canvas. Is it this? No. You're the good one. You're the good child. You're the problem child. Now, what is wrong with you? Wait, what is this? What is this rotation? Why does this have crazy ass rotation? This panel. Look at that. when I zero out whatever this crazy ass panel is. Like, what is this thing? It's got an animator. And what happens if I rotate this? Does it care? So rotation override, I can. Okay. Look at that. It works now. Right? Well, something must be setting it. It might be the animation. There might be some funky animation in there. Let's get in there. Let's see. Progress bar. Panel. It's got no animation. Look at that. So description panel, right? What is the animation here? Description panel. Hide and show. So hide. Floating selector icon hide. Does this have rotation animation? No. Does show. Floating selector icon. Animation. No, it's just got scale. Does this have overrides? No. That's a timeline thing. What would be controlling the rotation of this thing? This is a funny one. This one's tickling my brain. Let's see. Okay. Maybe this script controls the rotation. Ooh. Okay. Processor inventory. It might be this guy. This jerkwad. Processor inventory. Progress animator. Progress animator. What do I do to it? I say start rotation. There it is. Why do I reference the rotation? No, but I don't set it. I just reference it. Wait. Transform local position. Transform rotation. Set animator activity. If not active. If the input inventory has content or not. This is, I don't know why I reset their transforms. That's a weird one. So I understand what's happening now. But it doesn't make sense. I don't know why I do this. Maybe at one point I wasn't using like a sprite fill, and maybe I was using an actually rotating object, because right now it shouldn't move. Let me see what happens if I do this. It's really bad. I don't know. I don't know what that's gonna do, but we're gonna do it. So this is definitely going to fix the problem. But it might cause another one. Hello, I would like to put in my application for an Alpine Lake playtest key. I have thoroughly prepared it. I think it's a winner. That's Finsifty. That's perfect. Can you please just copy and paste your application into Twitch chat, and it will be processed within 3 to 4 business weeks. Also, welcome in. How you doing? Okay, 1 sec. 1 sec. That's not very professional. I like to take my applications seriously. Dear sir or madam. Perfect. I like that. I need you to wow me. All right. It's going to work, but I'm just scared. I don't know why that code is there. It must be there for a reason, right? It must be there for a reason. To whom it may concern, casts fireball. Now it's on the floor. Oh, wait, because always face camera. Yeah. Yay. So it works. And if I take this out, pick up the smelter, move the smelter over here with a different rotation. Oh, actually, let me make it backwards. I would like to apply for the position of Alpine Lake playtester. I am a Twitch streamer with over 1 followers. I gained my silver swimming certificate at the age of 8 and my PhD from Harvard in theoretical physics at the age of 8. It was a busy year. Also, I'm always completely honest. You know the deal. You got to hit the redeem. I can't just give out keys without a redeem. You got to pay up that dosh. Pay that dosh. All right, we're fixed. Goddamn, that's a winner. Thank you for your time, sir or madam Henry J. Kissinger. I was just about to say, you know what? I like your application so much. Keep your dosh, but hey, can't refund it, right? Let's see. Refund Finsifty cat. Nope, unrecognized. That turned at the end, you lost me. Yeah, I'm a wild card. Finsifty, you get a key. If anyone else is watching and it's like, I want to play, you can. Do what Finsifty cat just did. Finsifty. I'm assuming your actual name is Finn. I almost just pasted the key into chat. Like, no. We need to take this to the DMs. Are you in the Discord? I thought Finn's name was Cat. It's not? Your name's not Finn? Damn. Oh, now I gotta go into your Discord, find you. Where are you? It's just Sifty. There you are. I found you. The Prancing Pony. Hells yeah. You're in my Discord. Okay. I was confused because it's just Sifty. Let me add you to this super secret alpha channel. Hold on, Skydriver. We're going to add that. Wait, you're not in there. I'm in your Discord? No, I just had to send you an invite. Oh, wait, I clicked the wrong thing. I actually meant to edit channel and just put you in it. Oops. Add members. Sifty. There we go. Okay. Done. All right, now you're just in it. Inviteless. Take your time. We're coming. We're coming. Random in. Yeah, do you think I'm allowed to use the prancing pony? I don't know. Copy. We're gonna do it. I'll even do both. Two for the price of one. Yeah, now even my wife calls me Finn. Wow. There isn't even a letter F in my name. There's not an F in my name either. You guys. My name's not Grandma. And I'm not a grandma either. Did you know this? My wife calls me Fal. Really? You guys, your internet personalities are spilled into real life. My wife has no idea. Like, I don't think she knows what my username is. Oh, actually, we talked about it yesterday. I think she just found out what my Twitch username was yesterday. Your name is Grandma. Grand MMA. She doesn't want to be that partner who calls me by my real name. Blind fish, you guys have a real wife. We do. My wife knows I actually want to change my name to Falonier. It's not that hard. Should do it. Oh, I wish I knew why this was here. Blind fish. You coy. See what I did there? Coy bastard. I hope she's real because she's not who's paying my bills. Because if she's not, wait, I butchered it. I'm so sorry. I hope she's real because if she's not, who's paying my bills? Who's paying my bills? Ba-da-ching. Pathetic. That's how you know. When I start like really butchering sentences, that's how I know I'm running out of steam. Speaking of Steam, did I get any wishlist yesterday? Refresh. Wait, none? I got 0? That's never happened before. No, it didn't calculate yet. Okay. The numbers haven't updated yet. Haven't checked my wish lists in a few weeks. I wish I can be like you, not care. I really wish. I can't stop checking. Because I need to know. I need to know these things. There's a theme here. It's all about self-validation and finding it in little digital numbers everywhere. Daddy's milk. What up, Daddy's milk? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? All right. So I think it fixed it. I think so. Let's wait. There's one more thing I needed to do. Get rid of always face remove. Turn that back on. That works. What up? Tabs back. Well, it updates at so it's 5 in the morning in the US. When does it update? I thought it updates at like 3 in the morning US time. I'm really refreshing it again. Like, is it true? Did it really not update yet? Yeah, just didn't update yet. Three a.m. West Coast. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, it's only 2:20. Okay, I see. 4 a.m. in U.S. Central. And here I am, definitely not ready for employment. Cineritz, you have a job tomorrow, right? Wait, when do you start? It's 4 a.m. and you're still here? Right. No, yeah, it updates at 3 a.m. No. So, yeah, we got 40 minutes. All right. I got you. I got you. All right. Checking it off. We did it. Make process UI always face camera. Required supplies UI doesn't clear. Let's fix that. That bugs me. That bugs me. Oh, May 13th. Oh, you got time. You got time. You better finish that multiplayer MMO you're making by May 13th. Otherwise, the day job's going to suck up all your time. 7 of which were then removed. Oh, God. Val. I will say, though, that your game is like a different category of games, you know? It's basically the only people that are going to be looking at your Steam page to get it are streamers that play games. I mean, I feel like it's just finding, you know, you just can't market to gamers. You have to market to only streamers that stream games or streamers that just want something on their stream. Do you have, is there like a casual mode where it can be like in a corner in someone's stream and people can play it like while the streamer's doing other things? Is that a thing? Do you have fish or plants like in real life or in the game? I have one plant in real life. I used to have like dozens of plants, but I had to give them all away. Geez, I'll probably see that game on weekends only. Yeah, it's possible. Thinking like a game like Slime Ranchers, but it's a tycoon. So you kill things for resources or something. You mean a new project? I'm working on a way for streamers to customize the UI to make it less intrusive. Oh, nice. But I'm not sure if it's the best idea. I mean, it just sounds like a lot of work. It just sounds like a ton of work. Palanir, will the player control the game through Twitch panel chat or whispering the streamer? It's a little bit of everything, right? So much work, yeah. Required supplies UI doesn't clear. Yep. Craft. We need a crafting table. We need a crafting table. Table. Nihongo Renshu Shitai. Does that make sense? Where are my resident Japanese speakers? I have no recipes. I need to learn one recipe. Blueprint. There's a Twitch extension to be able to view information about your character, but it's played through the chat itself. Yeah. Yeah, the panel you made is cool. It's cool. I like everything living in Twitch instead of having to go to a website. No, that's the one I've been working on, but right now it's still. Oh, okay. You were describing your current project. Got it. Got it. Got it. Sorry. It's just a terrain and some moving players right now. That's totally fine. Honestly, so that I was watching someone, Rock Kicker. He's in Unreal and he's making a game. It's basically like a hiking simulator, which I really appreciate. And it's just a terrain with a path, some very simple guidelines and story that he's been putting in there, and it looks really fun to make, to just design an environment, and the whole game is just to walk through it. I kind of appreciate that. Just like there's just one place you need to make. All right, what am I doing? Blueprint, bookshelf. Get in there. Get in the game. Get in the game. How do you prevent the streamer's chat from being spammed by the game? Like if people really enjoy it. That's the biggest hurdle. Sounds like a hurdle. We can play a game to see who's the farthest from Japan. Though I'm from Brazil, which is over 10,000 miles away from Japan. Hi, hi, hi. You know what I learned, though, is that there's a massive Brazilian population here. It's like actually it's a thing. And one of the bars that I frequent, the bartender is Brazilian, and he was telling me there's a neighborhood outside of Tokyo that's mostly Brazilians, and yeah, it sounded really interesting. I want to go there, and because they have like all the Brazilian markets, I want to check them out. I am 5,500 miles from Japan. That's so far. Actually, you're. I mean, as far as the U.S. goes, you're as close as you can be, minus a couple states. If you made it through Whispers, that might be better, no? Like with username? Yeah, but you want to see the action. Pumpkin Days! Good morning, Momo. Also, Cinerets. If you want to see more, you're in Unity, right? Um, well, you know what? You should follow Pumpkin Days anyway. Jeez. Everyone should follow Pumpkin Days. Morning, what you working on today? Today, um, so IRAD Dev. I don't know if you know IRAD Dev, but he played the game for about 4 hours yesterday. And these are all the notes that I took while he was playing. I watched like 3 hours of it because he was Twitch streaming it. And I'm just hitting this list of stuff I want to fix. So right now, it's all like little stuff, quality of life, some bugs. I didn't even fix the 2 bugs. There are limitations with whispers on Twitch, which would require me to verify the bot among other things. But that also shuts out mobile viewers from being able to participate. Oh, that's true. Playtesting. Yeah, yeah. How are you doing? Required. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm losing focus. I might have to wind down. I wish I could do morning streams again. I like the early morning streams. These evening streams are, I don't know. It's after I've already spent all my energy. 4:20 a.m. Oh, 4:20. That's early. That's real early. Did Little Pumpkin wake you up? Or is that just your new schedule now? 4 in the morning. Where is the crafting menu? Crafting canvas. Selector. Background. Canvas display. Build. What is all this stuff? I don't use this. I guess not. Just went to bed early so I can wake up early so I can have some quiet time and work. Nice. Do you know about the shortcut for whispering that might circumvent the mobile thing? Yeah, I've never even heard of that. Ingredients panel? Is this it? Why am I not just, why am I in play mode? I don't need to be in play mode. But wouldn't that still spam? Wouldn't that still spam chat? Honestly, I've been on Val's stream and I've watched the game be played. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It doesn't spam the chat. It redirects the message from the chat to Whisper. But like, oh, say, okay, so it just like catches it and then it doesn't show it. This is the ingredients panel, right? All right, so I need to clear this thing. Item description panel. Why don't I clear this? Totally, never trying to backseat dev, just trying to help if I can. Yeah, no worries. I'm sure, yeah, appreciate you asking questions. You got to get the devs thinking about it, you know? We can't get too in love with our own ideas. Sometimes we need to be told. You should definitely go into every other streamer's Twitch chat and criticize what they're working on. They'll all appreciate it. I guarantee guarantee it. They'll just be like, "Oh man, thank you. I never saw it that way." And then come back in a couple days. Tell me how everyone reacted. Backseat deving is a skill in its own right. Either that or I'm lazy. I love backseat deving. My favorite thing is when a streamer, because sometimes I'll just have a stream. I'll have a stream up literally all day, and sometimes I'll have multiple, and I'll hop back and forth, mute one, listen to the other for a while. And most of the day I'm just not actually paying attention. I'm just like doing work or whatever. But then my ears always perk up when a streamer's like, I actually need some advice on this. It's always like, I could give advice. I'm a smart person. I had someone come into chat when I was like 3 weeks into the game and said, I could break this game in 5 minutes. That's helpful. Oh, cool. I didn't know if the culture was like that or if it was annoying. I think every stream is different. Some people in their rules say no backseat deving. Some people get very defensive for what they're making. It's like a personality thing. Come into their chat and just randomly tell them about something you saw, but make sure you describe it very poorly. Yeah, always describe it poorly. I've gotten advice while streaming that was super helpful for my project, and I was like, what? I didn't even know I could do that. Yeah, it happens all the time. So much of this game has been diverted because of chat in a good way. I'm just sitting there looking at my scene like, dude, I can break this by just running it. That's good. Mildly aggressive, but also could be helpful. Pumpkin Days, it was a first time chat. A first time chat. That's brutal. Did you solve the cave woes? Yeah, the cave is mostly put together. That's why I've moved on to something else. Cave's looking pretty good. I just need to add some purpose, some greater purpose and some more resources down there. Because right now it's very simple. It's like 4 levels of copper, 4 levels of aluminum, 4 levels of whatever, and there's some blend between them, but like I need fast travel. I need more varied resources, and I need to add I need to add bespoke levels that describe the story a little. Some abandoned stuff. Extra aggressive. Yeah, that is being a first time chatter coming in hot like that. That's like not a nice person. I just want cool people around, you know? Some people just choose chaos, you know? It's not even I woke up and I chose chaos. They were born and chose chaos. It was my opportunity that day to run my first animation for banning a chatter. You have an animation for banning a chatter? That's awesome. I would have been using it like 4 times a day, every day for the past 3 weeks because of that Twitch scam. How many inns can the player have? Just 1. But you can build multiple structures on your property and theme them. So you can have like different kinds of inns. Either no one watches me or no one tries to backseat me. I don't know which one it is. Fin50, you are just... Everything you do is right. There's no backseating you. Everything I've ever seen you do is correct because you've told me that. I do. It's just a video file. I'd quote it, but it has naughty words in it. Oh yeah, it's a PG-13 stream. PG-13 stream here. No reason to backseat someone who knows what they're doing. Also, no reason to backseat someone who's hopeless. Oh, that was brutal. That was so brutal. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I crossed the line. All right, we're going to raid out. That was fun. I'm going to go take a cold shower now. I felt like in my head, I'm like, oh, I got a good one. I'm going to say this joke. And as it came out, I'm like, oh, it just sounded so mean. That just sounds so mean. I'm sorry. You didn't deserve that. Honestly, more people should be watching you because you do expert work, and expert work is what, I don't know, is what I'm on Twitch to see. I want to watch like people who are really good at what they do that. I can literally be either and no one would ever know. Nah, yeah, I don't know. It took me like so long to, I don't know, break out of like 2 viewers. It took me so long. But I see you have viewers. I don't know what you're talking about. You got viewers. I'm in there. I see the count. Grandma with the steel chair. Yeah, that was that line. Glad to catch my stream. We're not ending yet. All right, we'll end soon. What time is it? 6:40. I'm gonna meet my wife in a neighborhood. We're gonna get dinner somewhere, so I got time. You were the Zen Pirate Software? I haven't seen Pirate Software in a bit. Does he still stream? Is he still doing it? I'm assuming he's on right now. There he is. Game dev's a hard category to break into. I applaud all of you that build a community on this platform. The other category, this category seems way easier than actual gaming. It's scary out there. People are scary. I elect to just stream in the middle of the day when literally everyone in the US is streaming. I think it's a good time though. I think that's a good time to stream though. We should raid him when you get off and see if we can get noticed. Do people raid him? I never tried. I assumed he'd have raids turned off. I would imagine also he just doesn't even acknowledge raids. They just come in. Because everyone would be rating him like all the time. He probably wouldn't acknowledge it. Yeah. I got weird feelings about raids. Some people they do a lot of fanfare, which is great, and then some people they just they just are thank you. Thank you for the raid. Back to business. That always bugs me a little bit. The immediate back to business, like I don't know. I don't know. Everyone's got their own thing. It's fine. We just don't raid those people twice. That's not a dig on him, just a thing in regards to streams. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's just like yeah, he wouldn't notice it even if he wanted to notice it. It's nice to catch up with people who stream at the same time and see what they're doing. Yeah, it's kind of how I see raids. Like, just visit someone who you want to say hi to. All right, do I want to do one more thing? Where did I require? Yeah, I want to do this. I want to do this. I'm just struggling to like get to it. Ingredients panel, item description panel. How do I clear this thing? I want to clear it. GUI selection event. GUI selection event. I need to throw Katemoi. First time chatter, how's it going? Welcome in. Hi friend, you're a VFX professional. What software do you mainly use for VFX? Houdini? I use Maya mostly. I use Houdini sometimes. And welcome in. Maya, Nuke. I guess I can put Houdini in my list of in my arsenal, but definitely Maya artist first. LOL, same. It's like an unspoken Twitch courtesy that if you get a raid, you just be a little more, yeah. I mean, it's not even like the excitement. It's like spend like 1 second getting to know the person. Just 1 second. You know? That's it. Houdini? Yeah, Houdini. And also Kate Moi. I want to assume that that name is Japanese of Japanese origin. I want to pronounce it right. I want to take it seriously too because I'm in Japan and I'm trying to learn Japanese as best I can. Yeah, do 3 more things before getting off. Great idea. All right, I could do this one last thing. So new, how do I clear it? Like, how do I clear this thing? Show. Do I have a hide? Do I only have a show? Wait a minute. What's going on? Kata omoi means love in Japanese. Kata emoi is Kata emoi is my own invention. Yes, it's Japanese name. It's from a song called Aimer Kata omoi. Kata omoi. Kata omoi. I wonder how to use it in a sentence. Can you use it in a sentence? If it wasn't for random raids, you know you wouldn't know Crazy Mike. Oh, did he probably just yeah, I met him because he randomly raided me. Were you there for that? For the very first time Crazy Mike raided me? Also, where the hell is Crazy Mike? I haven't seen him in like a week. I need my Crazy Mike. Can someone text him? That's also why I made fanfare out of it. I don't want to miss or fail to acknowledge raid. Falliner, you have the most fanfare. We could probably call it Falfare because it's so much fanfare and it's fantastic. And you're so polite and kind and welcoming. God, it's gross. Stop making everyone look bad. Boku no kokoro wa kimi ni itsumo katamoi. Boku no kokoro wa kimi ni itsumo kataomoi. What am I saying? I don't know. I know boku no. And then kokoro. What's kokoro? Kokoro wa. I love it here. Is this actually, I don't know. He's always on a sprint. And I was like, you're supposed to have breaks between sprints. Give me your Scrum Master's number. I'll have words. And Mike was like, you'll hate this, but I am the Scrum Master. You're saying a lot of like dev words that I'm only vaguely familiar with. The Scrum Master. What a ridiculous title. Get out of here. Get out of here with that title. Oh, he's on a sprint at work right now. Oh, did you just text him? Do you have his number? I have to go feed my dog. It is 6:45 and she's being very kind and not begging. Please excuse me for one moment. I will be back in 50 seconds. I'll be back in Gojupun. I don't know how to say seconds. Damn it. Kane! Maripon! Everyone's showing up when I gotta go. Just give me 1 second. Chotte mat. I'm back. 50 minutes. Oh yeah, I said poon. What an idiot. How do you say seconds? Seconds is goju goju bo? Goju po? I can't. The font is so tiny, I can't see if that's the double or the circle. I think it says goju bo. Goju byo. Ah, goju byo. Got it. Got it. Connie, welcome in. How's it going? Maripon, thank you for the Japanese lesson. I'm going to bed. Have a good stream. Cinerets, thank you for hanging out. So helpful. Rager Run Games. Hey, how's it going? Welcome in. How long can you last? 50 byo or 50 poon? Big difference, yeah. It is a big difference. Goju byo. Goju byo. Goju byo. No, we're back. Let's do a couple of more things. I just want to do this one freaking thing. I don't have a hide. This is very strange. How do can I set null? Maybe that's what I do. Maybe I set null. If inventory is null, remove text. There we go. So I need to set this description panel with null when I change canvases and I don't have anything selected. Also, that was bugging me. How do I do this? This is oof. Let's just print e dot event type. Oh wait, you know what? Okay. Let's do the thing that I just learned. E dot selected. For wishlist, oh, go wishlist this game, it's sick. Cinerets, thank you for that. And then Falonier, thank you for the exclamation mark wishlist. Also, if anyone wants to play the alpha, it is available and free. Just hit that channel redeem, then you get a key. I have 96 keys left. Okay, now I need to see what events are already getting thrown. This might actually be really difficult. Ooh, or it might be not. It might not be difficult. Maybe I can throw events, like editor events. We'll see. We'll see what the best way to do it is. All right, we're going in here. So, canvas group moved. Canvas group moved. New item selected. Threw it 3 times. That's horrible. Here we go. Canvas group moved. Interesting. So I can, this already gets thrown. How convenient. I don't even have to do anything. Canvas group moved. Okay. Let's have a checkbox here. Public virtual void. We're gonna have a checkbox that is public bool, because this has been the day of checkboxes. I'm starting to see that, like, to fix visual issues, you gotta add a lot of checkboxes. It's gonna be called clear when canvas group moves. And that also means when, if e.event type equals canvas group moved, set description panel to null. Is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? I'm doing a little bit of a no-no. A lot of these fixes that I'm implementing, I'm not really like testing it thoroughly and making sure that I didn't break everything else associated with it. I'm just crossing my fingers. Sometimes it's the best you can do. It's all you got energy for. All right, let me spare my neighbors of my yelling. I wonder if they can hear me. That'd be really unfortunate if everyone was subject to this for 3 hours. Okay. You got this, I believe. We'll see. All right, so we change canvas. It's there. Change canvas. It's still there. Oh, I didn't. It's a checkbox. I didn't check the freaking box. Gotta check the freaking box. I should be asleep, but I still believe. Thank you. At least one person believes in me. Oh, also Pumpkin, if you're still there. Duolingo finally taught me what finally taught me the word mangaka. That was funny. I thought of you when I saw that. And in case anyone's curious, I said that because Pumpkin Days is working on a mangaka game. And a mangaka is someone who makes manga. Checkbox. Check it. Clear when canvas group moves. Oh, I didn't even set the... Wait, this should have done it anyway, because I didn't even use the thing, if. So it should have worked. Ah, crap. Mangaka, someone that is shortly before burnout. Are you saying because it's a really difficult job? All right. A game based on making manga? You definitely have my attention. Yeah, it's really cool. And Pumpkin, I believe in Pumpkin Days because she's already made a game released, so I know this one's gonna happen. The working conditions are extremely tough. Yeah, I heard that. There's an anime that I fell in love with, and one of the main characters is a manga artist. It's called Kotaro Lives Alone. Oh my god, it's on Netflix. It's so good. It's about a 4-year-old who moves into an apartment by himself, and about how the neighbors kind of pitch in to not parent him, but like look after him, take care of him a little bit. But he's super like mature, but he's still a 4-year-old. Oh my god, it's giving me chills thinking. Like I'm getting chills thinking about the show. It's so good. I've watched it twice already. If you're into anime and you're into like more chill, there's no combat, there's no fighting. This is super chill. A lot of feels. I've heard of it, I think. You might have scrolled past it on Netflix. They pushed it for a little bit a couple years ago. Let's see. Why didn't this work? Oh, wait, because... No, why didn't this work? Print. Yo. Yo. Hmm. I didn't change anything. Honestly, I made it harder for it to happen, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Oh, wait, I have a null. It's nonsense. Nonsense. It said yo. Okay. It said yo. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, is this my ingredients panel or is this my ingredients panel? No, that's my ingredients panel. Yo, what's happening? It's definitely calling that function. Set description panel null. If item equal null. Remove text return. What does remove text do? Sets everything to nothing. Sets the images to nothing. Hmm. Yeah, they would. We learned today that I would switch to Godot if someone published my next game and asked me to switch to Godot. Isn't that crazy? That means it's getting called again. Let's print item. Rent the item. And the other anime that I've really enjoyed lately is it's another Netflix one called something. It's like The House Husband. Let me look it up. The Way of the House Husband. It's incredible. It's about a like ex Yakuza turned house husband, and it's amazing. It's amazing. One of the funniest animes I've ever seen. I've never seen an anime that made me laugh out loud as much as it does, or as much as it makes me. Nice. It's basically my life now. You know, like my wife goes into work at a Japanese company and I'm at home. Sometimes I'll like go to the grocery store, get ingredients for dinner. I'll do dishes, I'll do laundry, I do all the chores, I clean. It's amazing. I wish I was Executed just so I can be like that guy. Try the Apothecary Diaries. It's also really good. All right, let me check it out. Open it up on a tab to remind myself. What's it about? I'm just really into like the non-combat chill ones. The story's awesome. I will say though, I am very into the combat ones as well. All right, so it's null. Look at that. We passed in null. Okay, we passed in decoration, item, bookshelf. And now when we switch over, we're passing a null again. But why? But like, wait a minute. Why are these all null? Ingredient panels. Oh, because that it doesn't address the ingredient panels. It goes slightly in direction of Death Note, at least with the vibes. I haven't watched Death Note in I don't know, 16 years. I watched it when it first came out, and I watched like the first 10 episodes, and I didn't get past that. Not because it was not good. I just fell out of anime for a bit. For reasons and things. We finished Freyren last week. I fell in love with it. I can't even say that one. What's that one about? I'm going to bring that one up in another tab. Beyond Journey's End. All right, so we are passing a null. It's just there's an oversight here. There's an oversight. These ingredient panels, I don't clear them on remove text. So show toggle ingredient panels off, right? Right? Okay. Let's do that. Toggle ingredient panels and ingredient decorations. Yeah, when I pass in null, I'm gonna get rid of that stuff. Right? It's a very chill story in between some pretty good fights. Okay, cool. The funny thing about Netflix here is I need... Oh, actually, I just realized I'm still getting the US Netflix. No, I'm getting like a weird merge between US Netflix and Japanese Netflix. There must be a large overlap in their content. Because I've been watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine on Netflix the past few weeks, or the past week. But then next to it was like a show with the title was in full Japanese. The description was Japanese. And yeah, I guess that is because of my region. But the device is still set to US. I don't know. I don't understand. Because there's like the US Apple Store, but then there's Japanese internet. So I don't know who controls what. Who's feeding me what, and how do they know? The characters of Freyren are awesome, especially when you know German. All the characters are named after Theat, main adjective. What does that mean? I've noticed, so I've watched Spy Family, and I'm very up to date on Spy Family. And that takes place in a faux Germany, right? We did it! We did it! Wait, but now it's not showing up? Oh, come on. Wait, it showed up really late. Why did... Why isn't it selecting it now? Oh, come on. Only on rollover. Oh. Yeah, there were interestingly a lot of German in the show. Oh, wait, ads. Oh, the names are like German adjectives. That's... Oh, I see. So Stark translated strong, and he's extremely strong. I see. That's cool. So I already knew that Lugan would lie because of his name. Ah. So I've been playing Pokemon Snap in Japanese, and I'm learning all the Japanese names for Pokemon. They're just the English words of regular things. Like Ghastly is just ghost. Ghosto. Charmeleon is lizard. Lizardo. And what else? Actually, no. Magikarp has a dope name. Magikarp is a Koi King. Koi King. Um, I hate that I'm memorizing the names of the Pokemon way better than the vocabulary that I'm supposed to be learning. It sounds so exotic, though. Yeah, that's basically what my wife was like. To someone in Japan, these are exotic names. Obviously, they're not, it's English. So I get it. I get it. Pokemon Go in Japan is still viable, or still. Last time I was there, like 80 people randomly joined on a raid at a train station. When I was here when I was here like 5 years ago, Pokemon Go was so big, and I watched hordes of adults and kids and just businessmen, housewives, everyone played Pokemon Go, and I watched it happen. And at the time, I didn't play it anymore. And then I came, and now that I'm here, everyone's still on their phones, but I don't see Pokemon Go on their screens. I've been looking. I've been every time I see a group of people on their phones, I check. Oh, we love Pokemon Go in the house. Yeah, I played the shit out of it. It's like that Korean MMO that launched a while back, and the big boss antagonist was called Greg. Greg must have super exotic to the average Korean. Greg. Oh my god, it's Greg. Sandy X, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? I only play Pokemon Go when I'm over there? Shit, should I launch it? No, I deleted it. I don't want it. I got obsessed. Bringing the Japan exclusive back to Germany. So when I moved from New York to LA, I got all these new ones, and I brought some back for my friends in New York when I visited. And then I deleted it. All right, so why is this happening now? Now it's still null. Why is it null? Oh, I know why it's null. I know why it's null. I know why it's null. It's because I need to see I need to see the order of them. I thought that I knew it would happen, but then I thought this would override it. Like I thought this would happen, and then on the same frame, this would happen. It's possible it doesn't like them happening on the same frame. Maybe I have to do these on a late update. Let's just confirm. Let's just confirm before I jump the gun. Assuming. You know what assuming does? Turns everyone into butts. My wife hates it when I say that. I say it all the time. Anytime I say something more than 3 times, it's like, okay, grow up. But I can't. I'm stuck. Arrested Development and all. I think we need new music. This has been playing for hours. No, don't do that. Don't play this stupid ad. There we go. Speaking of. All right, so canvas moved. Let's clear it. So it worked that time, right? And then we switch and it goes back. And then we go back and it doesn't work the second time. Why doesn't it work the second time? Is it because the bookshelf is selected? When we go away and come back, I think it's because the bookshelf is never unselecting. So it's not throwing the event that it has been selected. That's interesting. That's an interesting dilemma. Event canvas. Let's see. Crafting button 0. Nothing. Crafting button 0. It just never works again. Wait, look at that. Look at that. Canvas group moved. Item craft canvas group. Wait, let me. Oh, this is weird. Can't afford. Just show me the money. Yeah. Wait, actually, I do need help finding stuff in 3D Studio Max. People have helped me with that. Also, who calls an edge bevel or chamfer? Wait, who calls an edge bevel a chamfer? Yeah, that's crazy. Calling it chamfer? I hate that. Chamfer. That's bevel, yo. New item selected. Crafting button, crafting button, crafting button. So why is it still not showing anything? What's going on here? It's basically psychotic. In a nutshell. No. It's funny, I try to push like no engine wars here. We're engine agnostic. Yo, but 3D software wars. This is the channel where we draw the line. 3D Studio Max bad. Blender I'm iffy on. I'm gonna make a lot of enemies on that, I know. Blender's really good, I just don't like it. I'll have like one friend on all of Twitch if I if I hate on Blender. No, honestly, I think Blender's great. I just can't use it. I'm too stuck in my ways. I just can't. It's a me thing. It's a me problem. It's very powerful. I support Blender's mission fully, but I'm never going to use it. That's basically how I feel. Like hopefully they push their agenda and then everyone steps up, you know? Chamfer is more correct than Bevel in this case. Twitch dog. Twitch dog, I thought you were normal. Also, how's it going? However, I made an agreement with one of my devs to make a game in Blender. What do you mean? You mean you're letting Arrow use Blender, or you're going to make a game inside of Blender like you tried in OBS? Actually, Blender has a game engine in it. We're calling it in Blender Jam. In Houdini, chamfer is a type of bevel. Yeah, it's like a harsh bevel, right? Blender has a game engine, and we're going to make something in it. That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm not sure about that. I don't know anything about that. I just looked to see what happened to Autodesk Stingray. And it makes me wonder, can another engine survive in this multi-engine universe? Sandy X, what's the matter? Welcome in. Did you hear a software that you like that get bashed? I'm sorry. Bevel goes to a triangular point. Chamfer is like a partial bevel of varying degrees. Look, as a tech artist, they need to get the hell off this train where they insist that everything needs to be compatible with Blender instead of Blender being compatible with everything else. Interesting. I wake up in the middle of the night, sometimes in a cold sweat, thinking about it. Yeah, that's scary. Making a game inside Blender seems interesting. I mean, I would imagine, yeah, I don't know what it's like. I don't know what the environment's like in Blender game engine. I just know it exists. Sandy, please no. Listen, Fallonier, it can't be great. It just can't be. Wait, what is this? Bevel versus chamfer edges, differences, applications. There's a whole article? This looks like semantics. Let's just call it everything. We'll call it Chevel or Bamfer. I'm gonna call it Bamfer. Yeah, yeah. Fallonier is used to making games where games don't belong. Oh my god, I'm being so mean today. I think you'd agree though. GPL is hamstringing Blender 2. It's hurting adoption when regular artists can't use it with their other programs. What's GPL? There's also a Blender derivat for anime. What's a derivat? Am I saying that wrong? Apparently there needs to be a whole article, yeah. Oh, that's engineering? You may as well send us a CAD article. Yo, I'm so mad. Oh my god, get this. Speaking of CAD, you just triggered me. So at my day job right now, we were given CAD files from a company, and they were like, "Hey, can you? We hired a company to do something, and we don't like what they did. Can you take this CAD data and can you make it better?" So, oh my god. So I'm trying to open a freaking what the hell's a dot? Augie, settle in. We're telling the story. Welcome in. Welcome back. Thank you for the raid. I'm all triggered. So they sent us an X_T file. And I'm like, okay. I know one software that can open this. I mean, the CAD software it came from can open it. But I know a CAD exchange software. Wait, Augie. Tutorial? Whoa, what kind of tutorial are we doing? So I know one software that can open this x_t file so I can grab like an FBX or something, bring it into Maya and work on it. And it's called CAD Exchanger. CAD Exchanger I have installed in my work PC, but I can't use it anymore because my trial ran out. So I asked the engineer in my company, I said, hey, can you buy this software so I can use it so I don't have to use my free trial anymore? And everyone in the company, every CG artist in our company has already used their free trial because we need this software so often. So you know what? Let's buy the damn thing. Oh, the tutorial for your game. Oh, nice. Congrats. Everyone go follow Augie. He's making a gorgeous game. Anyway. I was just saying how I don't like it when streamers aren't welcoming, but let me just finish the story. So we email this company. We're like, can we please buy a license? Because when you click the buy button, it takes you to a contact form. And we emailed them and they sent us back an email saying, oh, we're reevaluating our pricing structure. So it's not for sale anymore. What do you mean it's not for sale anymore? We need your software. What do you mean it's not for sale anymore? What the fuck is that shit? Shaper 3D? Okay, I need that. Let me write that down. I'm gonna Slack myself. Shaper 3D. So yeah, what kind of response is that? We like needed it. We needed it at the time. We were ready to buy it, and they were just like, nah, can't have it. And then I'm like, okay, I asked my friend who didn't use his free trial yet, can you go to the website, download it, and use your free trial so we can convert this stupid freaking model? They took the download button off their website. You can't even download it. It's just gone. I don't understand. Anyway, that's that. Augie, thank you for the raid. How are you doing? Oh, sorry, Connie. The blender for anime is called Goo Engine. Oh, I never heard of that. All right, so you completed your tutorial. That's amazing. And you need to do some animations. I don't know. Do you? Just get that damn video. Get it up. Yeah, .x_t. That was the file. But the events are done. Nice. All right, so I'm going to check out Shaper. I already told myself to. Future Andrew will open it. It's not for sale anymore, then give it to me for free. Yeah, seriously, right? Shaper can't do FBX though, but it can do OBJ. That's fine. It's a very detailed model, but OBJ should be okay. I was looking at Shaper 3D for doing 3D print models. I've always wanted to make a game, so I finally started making real attempts to learn how. Sandy, that's awesome. Tell us how have you started your journey? Tell us how you've begun your journey. I just need to add 3 more animations and 1 danger soundtrack, and I'll be Gucci. Nice. Seems a lot of alternative apps have support for x_t. CAD Exchanger. CAD Exchanger. That's the software. Go ahead. Go download it. Use your free trial. And tell me if you tell me if that works. CAD Exchanger. That's the one. That's the bastard. No, you can't have it. FBX is a shit show. I believe I've said this before. Yeah, it is, but it works. It's fine. So I'm sure there's other software that can do it, but CAD Exchanger specifically does a really good job. They did a really, really good job because the control you had over the subdivision of the NURBS was great. And yeah, it just fucking worked. Time to use USD? No, never. I already know how to program and stuff, but I don't know how much game engine work, so I'm gonna try to make one. Wait, what? You're gonna make your own game engine? That's how you're gonna start your game dev journey? Sandy, it's a trap. It's a total trap. Don't do it. You'll just spend years working on a game engine. You'll never make a game. But let me backtrack. Some people find that fun, and that's sometimes all we're here to do is have fun. So if it's truly what you want to do it. That's it. It doesn't work very well for Unreal at all. Hippo sad. No? What do you mean no? What's wrong with USD? USD's fine. We had to talk about it the other day. It's just more complex than I needed. Like, I don't need that kind of complexity. I'm good with my FBXs and my Alembics. I always find it interesting when someone says they want to make a game and then begins with making an engine. I mean, I have made simple games like Brick Breaker. Well, that's cool. Oh, then your journey has begun already. Seems like everyone's jumping on the USD bandwagon, so it'll probably supplant other formats in time. Yeah. It just needs to like be better integrated into the software, because right now it's like a really complicated file format with layers, and all the software needs to support the file. Like, it's funny how like normally the software is made first and then the file format is made from what the software needs. But with USD, the file format was the focus. Like, look how cool this file format is. And now all the software has to figure out how to support the file format as best as possible. Anyway, I need to go. I gotta go. We spent the last, 45 minutes just chatting. I didn't even fix this problem. What I'm gonna do actually is remove this. I'd rather go back to the old functionality. And I'll have to fix this tomorrow. USD is great. It's the staging process that can be time consuming for games. It tends to be overkill. Yeah. And games, the staging process is vastly different than the rendering pipeline. Yeah, vastly. Maya's USD is great. Yeah, but even in Maya's, I don't like it. Maya's USD is so good that Epic basically said, this is why we're not doing Datasmith for Maya. There you go. All right, I think my dog really wants to go outside too, so I gotta go. We're gonna raid. I'm gonna raid and run. Where should we go? Where should we go? Everyone, seriously, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for all the new follows. I know where I'm going. Raid. Augie, thank you for the raid. Sandy, you sound like you know what you're doing then. But just be careful. Just be careful only making an engine forever. We're going to go to Red Cabin Games. We're going to keep the Unity trainer alive. Did I raid Red Cabin Games recently? I don't remember. It doesn't matter. I really like them, and that's where we're going. So everyone have a good rest of your whatever. Day, evening, night, doesn't matter. I'll be back. If I'm not back in like 12 hours, I'll be back on Monday. I didn't because I'm not following them. Okay, they're awesome. Make sure to show Red Cabin tons of love when we get in there. Here's the raid message. Raid message. That's the raid message. Okay, we all in sync here. We all in sync here. Skydriver, take it easy. All right. Finn, later. Twitch Dog, peace. Augie, Sanday, everyone else. All right.